How many solutions does the following system of linear equations have? This question was asked in GATE 2004 in computer science for 2 marks. Now we can write the following system of linear equation in the form of matrix as -1 5 1 -1 1 3 into matrix xy equal to matrix -1 2 3. Since it is in the form of linear equations Ax equal to b, so we can write the augmented matrix C equal to matrix AB. That is, we can write matrix C as -1 5 1 -1 1 3 -1 2 3. Now we perform Gauss elimination here. Now first change row 2 into row 2 plus row 1, and then row 3 into row 3 plus row 1. It will be matrix -1 5 -1 0 4 1 0 8 2. Again convert R3 into R3 minus 2R2. It will be matrix -1 5 -1 0 4 1, and the row 3 will become 0. Now our augmented matrix C will be -1 5 -1 0 4 1 0 0 0, and the coefficient matrix A can be written as -1 5 0 4 0 0. Now remember case 1. If rank of A is equal to rank of C is equal to n, where n is the number of variables, then in this case we get unique solution. In case 2, if rank of A is equal to rank of C is less than n, then we get infinitely many solutions. In case 3, if rank of A is not equal to rank of C or rank of A is less than rank of C, then in this case we get no solution, that is the system is inconsistent. Now let's find out the rank of both the matrix. In matrix A, the number of non-zero row is 2, so rank of A is 2. In matrix C, the number of non-zero row is also 2, so rank of C is 2. And n, that is the number of variables, here is also 2, that is x and y. So here we get rank of A is equal to rank of C is equal to n. Satisfies case 1, that is it has unique solution. Hence option C is correct.